Hi guys, it's day 24 and it's bright and sunny day. It's a beautiful day today. And you know what's even more beautiful? That girl over there.
Yes! Kilig naman, oy!
Ay, sino to?
Kinikilig ako, guys!
Bakit mahal mo si Liza?
Iba! Iba si Liza! Di ba, Kuya Ken?
Oo, iba. Sina, yun ang sagot niya, iba. Iba si Liza. Liza! Say hi!
Woo!
Is it a nice day today? Yep.
Kilig siya.
Okay. Ayan, it's a nice day daw today. Because she's happy. Bakit kaya siya masaya, no? Kaya. Joke lang. Ayan. So as you can see guys, yun lagi sinasabi lahat ng tao. Mabait siya, maganda, iba. Ayun, kaya you kind of know how she really is sa mga sagot ng mga tao. At yun lang, totoo lang siya.
Yes!
Diba? Totoo?
Napaka kinikilig yun, oh!
At ayun lang. So that's one of the many reasons, again, why I love her every day. At kahit nakakatawa siya tingnan, ang cute niya tingnan, may suot ng helmet. Tanong natin okay sa helmet. Liza! Audrey! Gusto mo ba yung helmet mo? Do you like your helmet? Come closer na here. Yan! Yes, kaya, come on! Oh, wait lang, nagtatrabaho muna sila. Kaya talaga sila is hardworking, alam mo na, hardworking. Para sa future niya with her family. Joke lang. And kanyang hobby. Dahil joke lang. Hobby. Joke lang. Joke lang, ayan. So, as you can see, the sun is up. It's a beautiful church over there. Diyan kami kakasal soon. Joke lang. Joke lang. Pero yeah. So, as you can see, we're here sa van waiting for my scene habang nagsushoot pa sila Liza. And it's gonna be a fun day today and I hope you guys can have fun with me sa shooting namin today. See you guys and I hope you enjoy.
Hindi niya ng marker, abante pa, marker.
Sa tent na yan, si Derek and Liza is right over that wall, the window. Yeah, they're shooting a really kilig scene right now. So, daho? Medyo lang, medyo. Joke lang, konti lang. It's, you know, it's work. Dapat masanay na ako dyan. Okay.
Ano kung halimbawa ang maging first kiss niya sa pelikula si Jay, hindi ikaw? I'm feeling
Ay, hindi dapat, hindi na everyday I love you dito. Hindi na dapat yung title. Dapat everyday,
wala na stump na.
everyday iyak na ako. Joke lang. Siyempre dapat ako. Joke lang.
Bakit?
Siyempre, ako yung everyday I love her eh.